Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make jollof rice. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! So the first thing you'll be needing is a cutting board and a knife, 2 garlic cloves, tomato, ginger, onion, any type of pepper you have, tomato sauce, and tomato paste. For seasonings, I'm using salt, turmeric, and some black pepper, but I didn't show it, but yeah. So now I am washing the ingredients. Wash it good because you never know what's on it. I cut all my onions and I cut them really small. Then I cut my ginger, garlic, and I put it together. So now I'm blending my pepper and my tomato in whole. Then I put it on the stove and cook it until it's a soft texture. And this is how it looks after I cook it for a few minutes. It's soft, it's pasty, and that's what you're going to be putting in the rice. So now I added in about 2 tablespoons of oil, then added my onions, garlic, and ginger to my pot. So now that it's soft, I'm adding in some tomato paste, and about 3 tablespoons should work. So now that all the tomato paste is dissolved, I'm adding in the tomato and pepper mixture we made. And I'm also be adding in 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce with a little bit of water. So to that pasty texture stuff, you would add in about 3 cups of rice. I didn't record that part, but I added in 3 cups of rice, and then I covered it and cooked it for about 30 minutes. Forgot to mention, I added in 1 cup of water. So that's how you make this rice. It's ready, and I hope you guys like this recipe. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!